first daughter Ivanka Trump finally has put the kibosh on all the talk today about her possibly replacing Nikki Haley as U.S. Ambassador to the United Nations. Haley made the surprise announcement this morning she would leave her post at year's end. The rumor started early in the day, even before Trump held his big pop-up presser at the White House to push the storyline has known for 6 months about Haley's plan to leave her post at the end of 2018. Later in the day, talking to reporters on the White House lawn, he insisted has known for a year. During Trump's morning White House presser with Haley, Trump thanked her for making the job more glamorous, which some political navel-lint gazers translated as suitable for Ivanka, having already heard her name as a candidate for the job. Haley fueled the flame when she singled out Ivanka for praise.
"We are a better country because they are in this administration," Haley enthused of Ivanka and Jared Kushner. But while complimenting Ivanka for her work behind the scenes, Haley described Jared as a hidden genius of the administration in a way no one understands. Proud Papa Trump pushed the Ivanka narrative hard in another afternoon pop-up presser on the White House lawn as he was heading out to wow his base at another rally. Eva heard a lot of names. Eva heard Ivanka.
How good would Ivanka be? President Donald Trump asked reporters, rhetorically. The people that know Ivanka would be dynamite. But then, it'd be accused of nepotism, if you can believe it, Trump complained. I'd pick her but it'd be accused of nepotism, even though I'm not sure there is anyone more competent in the world.
Not long after POTUS's remarks, Ivanka finally put an end to the madness, tweeting, "It is an honor to serve in the White House alongside so many great colleagues, and I know that the president will nominate a formidable replacement for Ambassador Haley. That replacement will not be me. https://twitter.com/Ivanka Trump/status/1049773378167590912.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel now to miss new, interesting videos.